Question from the year May-June 20, 9709, variant 11. Question number 3 says, each year the selling price of a diamond necklace increases by 5% of the price of the year before. The selling price of the necklace in the year 2000 was $36,000. Write down an expression for the selling price of the necklace n years later. N years later, the price is required n years later. Expression for the price, and hence find the selling price in 2008. So the increase is 5%, 5% increase. 5% increase means 105% is the price for the next year. So 105% means 1.05. So if you multiply 36,000 by simply 1.05, we get the price for the year 2001. So using this idea here, I can write next, as the question is n years later, so I can start this question like this. Price, not in, but price 1 year later. As 36,000 is the price in the year 2000, multiply by 1.05. This is for the price for the next year. So this is the price 1 year later. So what is the price 2 years later? So this is the price for the year 2001. So as this is the price for the year 2001 or 1 year later, you simply multiply this by 1.05. In this way, you can simplify 36000 to like terms 1.05, 1.05. This is 1.05 raised to power 2. So, and this is the price 2 years later, means in 2002. So using the same idea, so as we have 2 years, the power is 2, and likewise for the 3 years, it would be 3 in the power. So as it is n years later, so let us write the answer finally. Price n years later is 36000, 36,000, 1.05 raised to the power n. So this is the price n years later. This is the price n years later. Question is, and hence find the price in 2008. So first check in 2008, how many years have passed? So starting from the year 2000, next is 2001, and so on. Then there's a year 2008. So 2008 means 8. This is 8 years later. So put n is equals to, so 2008 means 8 years later. N equals to 8. So the price 8 years later means in 2008, simply 36000. So you put n equals to 8 here, 1.05 raised to the power 8. When you simplify, we finally write answer correct to 3 significant figure, but check what is the answer when you simplify this using calculator. This is coming as 53188.395. So the price in 2008 is 53200. correct to three significant figure, and this is the answer to part A. Next, the company that makes the necklace only sells one each year. Find the total amount of the money obtained in 10 years period. In 10 years period, in starting in the year 2000. So here, in the year 2000, the price is 36,000, and 10 years means n terms. So here, as it is 5% increase, and yes, we have 1.05. This is basically the ratio. So the ratio is 1.05 because this is increase. So for this question, this is a question of, again, this is a question of geometric progression. And this can be solved by using a formula. So here A is equal to the first term, 36,000. N is equals to 10 years, not n terms, but 10. So this is so on, and in 10 years. So there are 10 terms. So the total amount means the sum is required, first term plus second term, and if we have 10 terms with the ratio of 1.05, this is with multiplication, and for this the common ratio is 1.05 because it was 5% increase. So here I can use the formula for the sum of 10 terms equals to question mark. Sum formula for geometric progression is Sn equals to A into Rn minus 1 over R minus 1, or in formula sheet MF19, the formula is written like this: 1 minus, both are the same. So here I'm using N is equals to 10, A is equal to 36,000, R is 1.05 raised to the power 10 minus 1 over, ratio is 1.05, denominator minus 1. So when you simplify this whole thing, S10, so 36,000 into 1.05 raised to power 10 minus 1 over 0.05, and you simplify, so it is coming as 452,804.1313. 45280 point. So as we write the answer correct to three significant figure, so here the question was find the total amount is, hence the total amount, the question total amount in the 10 years period, total amount in the 10 years period is 453,000. This is the answer I'm writing for the total amount, and this answer is correct too. Don't forget to write answer, final answer correct to three significant figures if it is not coming as exact. This is all about this question. Thank you very much.